weekend.
You did?
Yep, on television. I was on an airplane and had to make an emergency landing.
What? You were on the news?
Yep,
On that airplane?
yep.
George, that was freaking scary.
Made the news, Ruth.
Oh my God, that was freaking scary.
Yeah, it was kind of scary. We landed, all the fire trucks were following us.
Oh my goodness. Where was it? Here in Dallas?
No, I was in Florida,
Oh.
and we took off from Tampa and made an emergency landing in Fort Myers.
There you are. Oh my God, you're in the middle of the line.
I know,
Oh my.
I was in that line.
I saw you. After the freak out, scariness, they make you wait.
Yeah,
Wow. This was in Florida?
yeah, I'm trying to get home Sunday. I didn't get home until Monday night.
Oh my God.
I got the hang of this, Ruth. It's kind of disappointing seeing all that blue paint disappear.
Going away. No more blue.
I just can't understand what would possess someone
What was
to.
to get so much blue? Maybe it was the Feng Shui.
Paint their bedroom blue, you know?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take off all of the outlets, George, and we're gonna throw them in the bucket so we can wash them, whatever is rescuable,
Okay,
and the other ones, we're gonna throw them away.
okay. Okay, so I need a little more here.
Yeah. Then, yes. And then the way you do it here is you touch it and then you, hold on. Let it dip a little bit, see?
Uh-huh.
And then the excess, once it's not dripping, you're ready to go.
And once it's not dripping, we're ready to go. Okay,
Okay?
okay.
No pressure.
No pressure. Except on me.
Yes. So the airplane was mechanical or technical?
Do what?
The airplane failure.
I have no idea. They didn't tell us.
You just have to say land.
It was a mechanical thing, but of something. But we
Oh.
heard lots of rumors.
Oh.
Had
Was it
rum-
American?
American Airlines, yeah.
Ooh. What was it, the 737?
Yeah. Uh-huh. No, it was an A-21 Airbus.
Oh, so it's not bad.
Yep.
Hello. All right, so we're in the kitchen right now. The popcorn ceilings have been scraped. The ceiling was retextured. The cabinet doors have been removed. It's going to be painted. The carpet still needs to come up in here once we figure out what kind of carpet to use. They laid fresh sod in the backyard, as you might be able to see through the window. We can make our way over to the front room. Same thing in here, ceilings scraped and retextured, getting ready for paint. The blue room is getting its first coat of primer. This will be filled in with a wall. The door's not going to go back here.
Yeah, this was the blue room.
And in the 2 bedrooms back here, same thing. Scrape the ceilings, retexture, getting ready for primer and paint. There you have it.
Making progress.
No me quieren porque soy hispano. Tú digo que es tu rollo personal y deja de culpar a los demás. Si este día me sentí azul, todo el mundo me cae mal. Ese día anda bonito, todo el mundo me cae bien. Y que nadie la tome personal.
Yo creo que sí es obvio, pero otras veces así no está bien. Gracias. Ahí chueco.
Está bien chueco, ¿no? Como me sacaste de prisa, se me olvidó la pinche pistola. Entonces ahora tengo que llevar todo apretado. Ah. Quítate tú para poner.
Okay, we're making progress. Looks like some painting has been taking place here in the living room. Ceilings have been painted, the walls have been painted, so that's really looking good. The looks like where those 2 doors were going into the bedroom number 3, we've actually closed that up now, and all that's been taped and bedded, so that's good. And when we look at it from the inside, it looks really good there as well. Okay, so we still have to get rid of those old doors, but that's actually looking pretty good. Looks like we've started getting the wallpaper down off of in the bathroom. And in here, looks like we have taped and bedded where we had 2 doors here, and now we only have the one, and we've done some taping and bedding there, so that's really good. Let me see if I can't open it. There we go. Got a little opening going on. Okay. So we got the door added here, and So the closet being closed in. So that's gonna be a big plus. We're starting to get the wallpaper off here. We need to replace the light fixtures and the countertops in this room, and I think that's gonna be good.
Yeah.
So, this is pretty.
Gorgeous, it's great. Pick the good one.
Yeah, and we have the grays and the whites that we needed.
Okay. So these valves are leaking?
Yeah.
Okay, so they gotta be replaced. All right,
I'm gonna solder them and put it just like I did with your house.
okay,
Here once. So this one, and yeah, that's why every sink has holes, because it looks like they did have water problems, and that's why, and the water went down on
They
the,
tried to fix it at some point.
yeah. So
okay,
this is what we need to do on each one.
Yep.
A new gut.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go get my stuff at home,
okay.
and the texture guy is in the bathroom, no painting today.
No, but how about tomorrow?
Mañana ya.
Mañana.
Yes.
So, let me go back here and look at the wall here. So we've already painted it? No.
No, this is just texture recently.
Okay.
Just did it about an hour ago. We need to let it dry completely.
So this has to, well, this dries overnight. It'll be ready for paint tomorrow.
Priming and painting. I'll do this part. I'll do the other part.
I'll do the other part.
Yes.
Okay, like what?
This one. Priming it.
I thought I was done with this room.
You prime all the way to here, and I got the primer.
Okay,
And,
so we're gonna prime
I might prime it. Don't worry about it. I might prime it.
the whole wall?
Yeah.
Well,
No,
just
just
where
the part that is
Just
new.
like here.
He just did it. Fix it.
Okay.
Okay.
So we prime, okay, so then 2 coats of the alpaca.
This guy. Yeah. And then
Alpaca is the color.
yes.
What does an alpaca look like?
I like that wall. Hey, no, it looks like a
Like a llama.
Like a llama.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Is it like Himalaya or is it down in
No, that's
No.
That's Peru.
Peru, the Andes?
Yes.
Okay.
In Los Andes.
Okay, so that,
This
we gotta
also
wait
wet.
for that
I'll
to
take care of
dry.
this. And this one, he did this too.
Okay.
So let it dry. No painting today.
So then I can get in here and we can start painting this.
Yes. But I'll clean it up later.
Okay, so I'm planning on be here tomorrow
Tomorrow. Yes.
and Thursday and
I'll be
Friday.
here until probably 10:30, almost 11 tomorrow. I have a doctor's appointment. Okay? But I'll leave everything ready for you tonight.
Okay.
I'll have
Watch out for that doctor.
Ángel, cuando termine puedes sacar todas este chirro para allá para el garaje.
¿Se acabó?
Okay. No more windows.
No more window.
I like it better.
So yeah, I do too. So now the granite in here and the granite in here.
Ready, come here. Look at it.
We already got the granite?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Granite is here.
Oh, that's beautiful.
They still have to put silicone and open the holes and all that thing.
That's beautiful.
And then, yeah, he's gonna texture here. I think he textured this. I'll do this part, 'cause,
Okay.
yeah, I'll do this part.
I thought I was finished with that closet.
I messed it up again,
Okay.
but it have to get that way.
And what about the other bathroom?
He's done.
It's done. I'd like to hear that.
Not done regarding texture.
No light.
No more light. No, I took it off because he textured all this.
All right.
He took the mirror off
Yep.
and yeah,
Okay.
and he did all that.
So that's beautiful.
Mhm.
So then this is ready for paint.
Yeah. Yeah, I might have Gloria here tomorrow as well.
Excellent. A lot of jobs for Gloria.
A lot of jobs for Gloria, little bitty jobs for Gloria. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
All right, good.